I've been told about Naga City Eco Park. I don't know what it's like, but I just want to go and have a look. But I got to this place and I just had to look around while we're here. I mean, how beautiful is this? It's really spot on. And it's not, again, you know, I'm discovering new places around the area that I live in, you know, and it's just so nice. It really is nice here. But anyway, let's go and have a look at this eco park, see what it's like. So of course I've not been to this eco park before, but like I've told you in the past, if you move to Naga you get special abilities, and one of them is to actually teleport. So in the blink of an eye, Hardin Ni Ina. I think I've crucified that word, but it means mother's garden. And I've got here, it's absolutely beautiful. There's just loads to see, and there's people here having picnics. There's another couple of bus loads come, so I would imagine it's going to get pretty full, but there's just lots to see. It's beautiful here, it really is beautiful. So let's have a look round. Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal. Somebody must know what that is, what it means. So, answers on a postcard, please. You know, I can remember when I was a kid, and my parents used to take us to the countryside, and I used to be bored. I mean, really bored, you know, and they'd be saying, can't you take all this scenery in? Look at this beautiful scenery, you know. It's a tree, it's a bush, you know. But I must have been reborn, because I absolutely love all this. By the way, I've been here a year. Can you believe that? I've been here a year. This place is massive, and it's going to take some getting round, but the beauty is everywhere you go there's different things to see, and it's only 20 pesos to get in. It's well worth a visit, and you know, bring a picnic with you. Brilliant. This is a jackfruit, and Filipinos mix it with coconut milk, and it's I think depending on how they cook it, it's spicy. Or at least the one I ate was spicy. But I'm sure somebody will tell me different. But it's really nice, and it's growing wild in the eco park. And this is a little one, look, growing. That's how they start off. How cool's that? It's really deep. I've just been to have a quick look down in the well. I don't know, I think it's about 50, 60 feet down. But there's some nice water at the bottom. And I do like to experiment and, you know, have a look round. So that was one thing I had to do, is just look down in the well. No, only joking. It's not a well.